Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you so much.
How'd you sleep?
Wonderful.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chris.
How are you, Matthew?
Excellent.
Did you get up and see the sunrise, or did you say I'm sleeping in today?
Oh, no, I was up long before the sunrise. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, Bob.
Good morning.
What are we cooking today?
We are trying a new twist on an old recipe. 5-layer country breakfast.
5-layer country breakfast.
A little Southwest style.
Is this layer 1?
No, that's 2.
Oh, 2.
You're late.
I'm late. I see that the scuttle was used.
Yeah.
Bacon.
No, sausage. A little sausage and chorizo grease never hurt anybody.
So do the peppers, onions, blend count as 3 layers?
No, that's one. That's the veggies.
Eggs?
Yep, pre-scrambled.
Right.
It's way easier to haul them this way.
We woke up the next morning, day 2, to an amazing sunrise, blue skies, fresh air, and the smell of sausage and chorizo cooking.
Oh, that smells good, just coming out of the
Yeah, could you eat that just like that? Nice big patties if you wanted.
Oh, I know.
Bob and Chris were already preparing our breakfast before some were even out of their tents.
Off-roaders and overlanders and campers use scuttles, but this kind of looks a little different.
It's a nuclear scuttle.
Nuclear scuttle, yeah, but we call it super scuttle with the numbers that we're cooking. This is the way to go. Now remember, this is a 24 inch?
That's a 24.
24 inch. And it truly was an original.
Oh, it's a plow disc.
Yep. Your favorite farm implement.
And so you made this whole thing, Bob?
Well, it's a Camp Chef single burner,
Okay.
and then I welded the angle iron legs in it so it locks into the burner. It can't go anywhere, you know. It's,
Right.
then you got to fill the hole because every plow disc has in the middle has a hub hole where it fits on the axle.
You would have never known that.
So that's all been welded and metal finished out. This is me on top.
This is one of a kind. TNT Customs. This is my favorite part. Cheese. I am starving. Who would have known after all that food last night? I woke up hungry. For those coffee drinkers, hot water's cooking. Oh, it's
percolating.
it's percolating. Yep. We're not done yet.
No. This is layer 5. Right, 8 and 5 is 13.
You could make chicken pot pie in here too.
Well, were you looking forward in my recipe book?
Oh no, I wasn't. Oh yay, that's my favorite. Oh, okay. Shh. Well, they won't see this till after we've eaten. But I will keep the secret. Chow's ready.
I mean, I can eat quite a bit, but I don't think I can eat that much.
Don't be shy.
They won't have a choice.
Good morning, Ainsley. How are you?
This is a new twist, so let me know what you think.
Breakfast was delicious, and once our bodies were full, it was time to hit the road. But first, a little tire repair.
So I forget, what are we doing first?
Well, get the obstruction out, and then we'll basically putting the hole all the way through, and then ream it a little bit.
During the exploration of the abandoned mine from the day before, a Jeeper needed a rusty nail removed from his tire and a small tire repair done. Check out day 1's video. There's a link in the description below.
Okay, I think this might be the coolest shirt ever.
Mm-hmm.
Look at all those Jeeps. Where did you get this?
It was a gift from my mother-in-law.
You got the best mother-in-law ever.
Yeah.
I love it.
Our morning started out on a dusty desert path surrounded by Arizona's majestic mesas. We were headed to Snap Point for our first look at the Grand Canyon. It's the official western end of the Grand Canyon North Rim. The road to Snap Point is deeply rutted, and during certain times of the year, the road can be closed. The deeper you drive into the trail, the tighter the squeeze as the bushes are taking over the dirt road. Definitely expect scrapes and scratches on your vehicle. The squeeze was getting a little tight for us, so we found a small clearing at the edge of the high cliffs and decided to get out for our first view here. It was simply breathtaking. After our first amazing view of the canyon, we headed back out what I like to call Pinstripe Alley. And it was on to Twin Point Overlook for our second night of camping under the stars. We were in the Grand Parashant National Monument, located on the northern edge of the Grand Canyon in northwest Arizona, newly established as a national monument in the year 2000. This area is very remote and underdeveloped land managed by the National Park Service and the Bureau of Land Management. There are no paved roads on this parcel of land, just larger than the state of Rhode Island. It's a dry desert valley with pine-peppered mountains. Our journey into the wild continued onto Twin Points Overlook for some more stunning views of the Grand Canyon. But first, a shady drive through the Ponderosa, then on the rocky two-track road meant for 4x4s to the edge of the Grand Wash Cliffs were so worth the drive. The stunning solitary vista was amazing. But before reaching the end of Twin Point Overlook, we stopped for a view of Burnt Canyon. You can never get enough of the tranquil beauty of the canyons that were carved out over 1 million years ago by water, wind, and Mother Nature. We got to camp early that afternoon, which gave the guests of 4Xploring a chance to chill on the scenic vista. The majestic cliffs sparkled with color as the sun began to set. Bob and his crew were busy preparing another fantastic meal for dinner. This time, a Dutch oven Italian dish. Stay tuned for Bob's special recipe in a Jeep Life with Jeep Momma video coming soon. For more Jeep Life with Jeep Momma, head over to my blog at jeepmomma.com.